knife heads, welcome back to the Knife Nut channel. I hope you all is having a great day. It is currently 8 o'clock in the morning, and I just figured I'd hop on here for just a few minutes, tell y'all, hi guys. I was going through some of my stash. That's right, going through some of my stash. You guys ain't seen neither one of these knives before, unless this one. I posted a little short on it last night, but there's only like 50 people seen it, so I'm sure you guys ain't seen it. Then again, you guys might be the 50 people that seen it last night is going to see it again today. I can't tell. I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to start out with this one here in my right hand. I hope you guys will like it. This is what you call amber, burnt, corncob jigged, full-size trapper. Would you look at it? You know, when I see something like this, I just look at it. First thing comes to mind, I say, just look at it. Would you just look at it? That is one fine specimen of a pocket knife right there, my friends. Sorry, I'm starting to get a little sinus issues, so if you hear me sniffing, I'm trying to breathe a little bit. But the show must go on. Come on. Burnt amber bone, corncob jig, with the tin box, which you guys ain't seeing the tin box, but this one didn't come in no little cardboard box. It come in the tin with the felt and all that good stuff in it. Here's the PAL side. Just look at it. Would you just look? It's got brass pins, brass bolsters, liners, I mean. It's got brass liners, brass pins, fluted bolsters, pinch bolsters. That's a doll, baby. Oh, look. Let's check out the centering. Are you ready? It's like a gun stock here. Well, bam! Look at them. Both of them blades straight down Broadway. No gappage. This is a COVID knife. It was made in 2020, COVID season. And this had to be a Monday through Wednesday knife, because it's perfect. Both blades straight down Broadway, like I said. No gaps, like I said. Come in the tin. Let's check the blades out. I know y'all seen 1,000 of trappers on my channel. Just my channel. I love trappers. I collect trappers. The reason why, my grandpa was a big knife guy. And he collected trappers and mini trappers. So that's what I collect too, because that's what I grew up around. But y'all know I got more stuff. So my point was, I know I ain't going to be able to tell you nothing any different about any of these trappers that you ain't seen 1,000 times on my channel and everybody else's channels. But to me, the trapper is the great American knife. You ain't a man if you ain't got a trapper. Come on. Guys, I apologize about the sinus problem. But as you guys can see here, this knife is stamped. It ain't lasered, it's stamped. It's got the lightning bolt S in the tang stamp. So that means stainless steel. It's got the clip. No half stops, but listen to it. Slams down like nobody's business. It's got the spade. It says 6254 SS USA. But I knew you guys was getting tired of seeing my usual carries every day. I know you guys are getting tired of seeing the same old same. So what I do? I went and pulled out some more that you have not seen, never, ever. Maybe this one, because I did a short on it yesterday, but other than that. Now this one here is not a 2000. This one here is a Case Eisenhower. Y'all know the story about Eisenhower, right? How he had Case to make all these knives for all of his employees and stuff like that. That's the reason they named it Eisenhower. Well, I got the mother of pearl one. It's got stainless steel pins, stainless steel liners, all that good stuff. It's got the nail nick right there. Reach in there and pull that blade out. It's got a signature on it. Eisenhower. It's a 1-dot 2009 model. So you got 2 pen blades on an Eisenhower. This, my friends, would be the perfect 5th carry pocket. And it's got Case lasered on the bolster right there. Nothing on that. There's the tank stamp. There's the Eisenhower on the blade. So you got 2 pen blades. This one's a little bit taller than this one. But this was President Eisenhower's favorite knife. I've got a couple, and I got 1 or 2 of these Eisenhowers in stag, and I got 1 in bone, and I got mother of pearl. So if you guys like these little Eisenhowers, I can start pulling them out. Just let me know in the talk box. But look, you can see the fire in that. That's real mother of pearl. That's not fake. I don't do the fake mother of pearl, but see how it turns purple? Yeah, that's genuine mother of pearl. Look at that fire. That's the 2 I got for you today. And just for a little update, channel update, I'm getting ready to do a hard use. I got something. It's a cold steel fixed blade. I ain't showed it on the channel yet, but I'm getting ready to. But I'm gonna knock a hard use out. I'm talking about a hard use with this cold steel. I don't know nothing about cold steel. I ain't got nothing against them, but that's not my what I collect. So I'm gonna put it through the paces like you ain't never seen before. It is going to be epic. Y'all stick around for that. It might be tomorrow or the next day, but it's coming. And it's going to be good. I done know what I'm going to do. I done got it in my head. If it turns out as good as I think it is, you guys is going to love it. But that's it for me, guys. I'm going to jump out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed my little presentation for today. Y'all let me know if you like it or not. My last video only had 2 comments on it. What am I doing wrong? I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to keep on trucking. It ain't going to slow the train down. I just like talking to y'all, man. I don't know if I did something wrong. I don't know. If I did, someone let me know. I'm clueless. But anyways, guys, thank y'all for stopping by. I truly appreciate it. I'm sorry I got a little cold going on, so if my voice sounds different, I'm doing a lot of sniffing. That's why. But y'all, stay classy. You hear?